Want to share a killer YouTube video on your Facebook page in just seconds? Let me show you how to do it in a few easy steps. But firstly, don't forget to save this video for your future reference.
Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution.
And in this video, I'll walk you through how you can quickly share any YouTube video on your Facebook page. Ready? Let's get started. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your screen. Search for or scroll through your feed to find the video you want to share on your Facebook page. Got it? Let's move on. When you got the video you want to share, tap on the three dot icon below the video and select share. After tapping share, you will see a list of options. Choose the Facebook from list. If you want to add a caption, type something cool or relevant to the video. You can also add hashtag to get more reach. Once you are ready, tap post in the top right corner and there you have it. Your YouTube video is now live on your Facebook page. So this is how to share YouTube videos.
Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.